Have you been seeing the label made with AI on various Facebook posts and wondering what it means? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through what does the made with AI means on Facebook. Let's get started. Made with AI basically means that the content that you are viewing, be it videos or photos or status, are either generated by AI or edited by the help of AI. It helps the viewers to better understand the nature of the content and be aware that it is made with AI. If you're posting any content that you used AI to either generate, edit, or anywhere before posting, you need to enable the Made with AI label to provide the viewers transparency. Now let's learn how to enable the label. You can generate the AI pictures with the help of Google Bard or Microsoft AI and so on. If you don't know how to generate the images, do check out our video on that topic. Next, open Facebook. At the top, tap on What's on Your Mind. Tap on Photo Video if you want to post pictures or videos generated by AI, or simply paste the text that you generated with AI. I'm posting a picture. Select the picture that you want to post. I generated this image with the help of Google Bard. At the top, you can see the AI label off icon. Tap on the drop-down menu. Then toggle on the icon saying Label as Made with AI. Now your content will be labeled as Made with AI. You can now post it. Tap on Next at the top right. Then tap on Share. The next time you want to post a content that is not generated with AI and want to disable the label, you can tap on the same drop-down icon. Then turn off the label as Made with AI. This is how the labeled post will look like to others, while this is how the non-labeled post will look like. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.